Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here. Thanks for joining me for another product reveal. So today I'm sharing the Duck Couple Cling Red Rubber Stamp. Now the image measures 2¼ inches wide by 3 inches high, and it is absolutely adorable. I'm going to go ahead and stamp it out so you can have a quick look at it, but it's two of the cutest little ducks sitting underneath this huge flower. And they're just sitting on a stump like they're just sharing some serious thoughts together. And I absolutely think it is the sweetest thing. I do have a sample here I'm going to share with you. What I did was I stamped the image and colored it with my Copic markers. I went ahead and cut it out using my scan and cut, and then I used the mini cloud background stamp to create that quick and simple background to pop that up off of. And I tell you, I'm in love with these little guys. Now, for more information on these, you can click the link below and head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Until next time, take care.